Welcome back to another video of Roger Adventures. On this channel I will share all my paintings that I do, and I am not a professional, so just be aware I just do it for fun. So again, welcome to my channel. If you are new, consider subscribing to my channel if you like the content of this channel. Now I'm presenting you the painting number 4 for the 12 days of Christmas. I'm painting 12 paintings, one every day, and I'm releasing them on December the 1st through December the 12th. As you can tell right here, I'm doing a painting of a very famous character called Mandalorain and Baby Joda. I don't know if that is his name, but that's what everybody calls him, Baby Joda, because it's, you know, it looks like a baby Yoda. So this painting, it took me a really long time to paint because, as I said, I'm not a professional painter. I'm just learning, you know, by practicing, doing, and having fun. That's, you know, as I said in the previous videos, that is the most important thing, to have fun. And you can get frustrated sometimes, you know, painting, because you want to do something and you can't transfer it with the brush and the paint into what you actually really want. But you know, that's how it is. That's what painting is. As anything else that you want to learn, another hobby, it could be in a sport. You know, if you practice and do it, have fun, you will learn and you will get better through time and time. So again, it took me a long time, so I don't know if I'm gonna be able to be speaking during the whole time, because it's about a little bit less than 15 minutes, and sometimes I just cannot find the words that, you know, I want to put on the video to make it last the 15 minutes, but I will try my best. I did the painting with acrylic paints, so I'm gonna leave the description on the video down below of all the paints and tools that I use, in case you want to know which ones I use. Those are affiliates links. On this painting I apply a lot of coatings of paint. I was trying to use most of the basic colors to, you know, to learn how to mix the colors, because before I used to have a lot of colors, different colors, you know, a lot of variety of colors. But again, I'm trying to learn how to mix the colors and have the right tone that I want. I started by basically doing the background with black, and then I added some yellow, some red, and as you saw in the video, I'm applying some layers of paint that I think it's gonna mix well with the end product of the painting. Little by little, I trying to achieve the color that I want. I just saw this picture on the internet, and I just painted I did this painting, but of course at the end I added the hats, which make it for Christmas. I think they look cute. I think they look, you know, good on the Christmas hats. At the beginning I also did the sketch with the pencil, and I applied some water so the paint can run better on the canvas, because it was just the background. So again, little by little I added, you know, here and there I was mixing the paints, getting this color, getting another color, and gradually building the painting. I hope you like the content of this channel. If you do, consider subscribing to my channel, and also activate the bell so you can receive the announcements of all the videos. And I'm gonna leave the link up here on the upper right hand corner, the link of the playlist of the 12 days of Christmas. So if you think this video is too long, let me know, and maybe my next videos I'm gonna do it a little bit shorter or faster, or if you want to see maybe a slower time lapse, let me know. Or if you want to see the whole tutorial, I can make private videos and I can send you the links. But again, it will take a little bit of time to do these paintings, because it's just, especially this painting, because it has a lot of details, and I guess I'm just really slow. But I hope that you enjoy the paintings, and give me a thumbs up if you like them. So for now on, I'm just gonna leave you with the video, and at the end I will show you the painting of the Mandalorian with Baby Yoda on the Christmas hats. Alright, we are approaching to the end of the video. I hope you liked it. If you did, give me a thumbs up. And I will see you on the next day of Christmas, which is number 5.